Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is the sixth tutorial in the series of tutorials on CSS, and in this tutorial I have created a document called grouping.html in my text editor Notepad++, and through this document I'm going to show you how you can apply the same set of rules to two elements in HTML, and you could apply it to as many as you want. In this case we have applied three rules to the paragraph element as well as the h1 level heading element. So in the last tutorial, if you remember, I had these rules applied to just the paragraph tag. The color was set to blue. The font family in the last tutorial I had changed to Vivaldi. This time I've placed Garamond here, and the background color was set to orange. So if suppose you want these rules to be applied to the h1 level headings in your document as well, then all you have to do is put a comma after paragraph and type in h1. And you could also change the order, so if you want to type in h1 first and put a comma and then type in p, that's also perfectly fine. So inside the body section I have a heading which is "What's up dudes," and the text in the paragraph is the same as it was in the last tutorial. I'll save the file, go to the folder in which I have this document, and open it in my browser to see that the rules have been applied to both the elements this time. So the heading is no longer appearing in black, the font style is different, and the background color is also not white, it's orange, right? So the rules have been applied to the heading as well as the paragraph. So this is how you can group rules in CSS, and it's very convenient because you don't have to type in the same rules twice. And if suppose you want to type in a rule for 10 elements in your document, then you don't have to type the rule 10 times. You could just make a list of those tags, and you could separate them with a comma and place them just before the curly brace for your style rule. So that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video in which we'll discuss more CSS, and I hope you guys had fun watching this one, and you may subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.